Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable monetization in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to start earning money from ads, memberships, or shorts, this is the full step-by-step guide. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside, click the Earn or Monetization tab from the left side menu. This is where YouTube Partner Program settings are managed. Here you'll see if your channel is eligible for monetization. You usually need at least 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. If you're eligible, click Apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. This starts your monetization application process. Now read and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms and conditions. Next, connect a Google AdSense account. This is where your earnings will be sent. After applying, YouTube will review your channel. This process can take a few days or sometimes a few weeks. Once approved, you can turn on monetization for individual videos and enable ads, memberships, and shorts revenue. And make sure your content follows YouTube's policies because violations can delay or disable monetization. So that's how to enable monetization in YouTube Studio in 2026. Once you're approved, you can start earning from your content and grow your channel as a business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.